Today we will learn page number 7, that is subgraphs. Now observe subgraph. First definition: a subgraph of a graph G equal to V comma E will denote with H is equal to W comma F, where W is subset or equal to V. That means a vertex set is subset or equal to vertex set, and edge set is subset or equal to edge set. F subset are equal to E. A subgraph H of G is a proper subgraph of G if H is not equal to G. If they are same, that is improper. If they are not same, proper subgroup. Now observe this one. Now from K5 we are getting a subgraph. Okay, so with deleting a vertex D and all the edges incidenting on it. Okay, so with the vertices only A, B, C, E, we are getting another graph. Okay, so that is called as a subgraph. That means subgraph is subset to the original graph. Subset is nothing but vertex set is subset and edge set is subset. Okay, so subgraph is nothing but a part of the original graph. Now this graph is a subgraph of K5. So it is induced by the vertex set W is equal to A, B, C, E. Observe in this graph A, B, C, E are the only vertices. Now observe this vertex set in K5 is belongs to we can say V, and in this subgraph we can take vertex set as W. Now already we can see clearly W is subset or equal to V, and all the edges in K5 if we take as E, and observe in a subgraph all the edges if we will take as F, then F is clearly subset or equal to E. So this is called as a subgraph. Now graph unions. Similarly, in sets there is a union is there. It's looking like same. Now observe here union of two sets. For example, G1 is there a graph and G2 graph is there. Then the union of G1 union G2 is given here. Observe all the vertices in G1 G2 will write here, will take here, and all the edges in G1 and G2 will be there in G1 union G2. Now observe two graphs A, B, C, D, E, and of course F are there vertices in G1 union G2, and observe all the edges in G1 and also G2 are included here. Okay, so that is called as G1 union G2. This is the definition of graph union. The union of two simple graphs G1 equal to V1 comma E1 and G2 equal to V2 comma E2 is the simple graph with vertex set V1 union V2 and the edge set E1 union E2. The union of G1 G2 is denoted by G1 union G2, and the example is given. Now observe clearly next topic: removing and adding an edge to a graph. Now in the previous example we seen given graph G equal to V comma A and the edge E belongs to capital E, the small e is an edge. We can produce a subgraph of G by removing that edge E. Okay, the resulting subgraph denoted by G minus E, because E is eliminated from the original graph, then the resulting is denoted by G minus E, has the same vertex set. Vertex we are not removing, only edges we are removing. Vertex set V as G. So its edge set is E minus E. Capital E is the original edges. Okay, so small e is the what edges we are removing. Okay, so then the edge set can be denoted E minus small e. Hence G minus E graph, the resulting graph is equal, the vertex set is same V comma E minus E, only the E edge we are removing from capital E edge set. Now observe here, for example this graph is there, we are removing the edges A to D, okay, B to D. So for example if you take, of course we are deleting here D also. So if D is there but only removing the edge, if you take A to D, then D will be there, of course, only the edge will be deleted. Now similarly, we can add an edge E to G to produce a large graph. It is denoted by G plus E, hence G plus E is equal, the vertex set is same, V comma E union of E. Similarly, removing vertex from a graph. When the removing a vertex V and all edges incident to it from G equal to V comma E, we produce a subgraph denoted by G minus V. Observe here, if we are deleting the vertex, then we have to remove the vertex and as well as the edges, all the edges incidenting on that vertex. So also we have to remove. See here in the example here, D we are removed, only vertex D is removing. Vertex D is removing means all the edges incidenting on D also we have to remove. Then we'll get here the another subgraph. Okay, so that is the difference between removing an edge, single edge, and removing a vertex. So in the next one we'll see G minus V, that means vertex if we are removing, that we will denote G minus V. Of course, V minus in the vertex set we will remove that vertex, and of course in edge set also we will remove all the edges incidenting on that one. So here we are denoting that is E dash, where E dash is the set of edges of G and not incidenting to V. So that is G minus V. Thank you.